the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Zoom on your cell phone here, whether it be an iPhone or an Android-based phone. So, first of all, you want to go into your app or Google Play Store. You want to search, type Zoom, and I already have it. So I am going to open it up on my iPhone 11 here. So I'm going to click open, and this is what it looks like. I could turn the phone this way. It should turn. But, so if I click join or new meeting, right, so that is me you're looking at right now. So if I turn the phone this way, that is still me, and the backgrounds are the factory backgrounds that come default with Zoom. So what you do, I'm on the mobile, I'm used to the, so you, where it says more, over on the bottom left hand corner, or right hand corner, excuse me, you click that, you click virtual background. So I'm going to turn my phone this way. And there are default backgrounds to choose from, and then there's your personal choice. Now, if you're using this for work, either use something like this. I recommend using the default backgrounds because you can't offend anybody. You can't do the, cool, because I had a professional Zoom meeting today and I had the background, and the person who was interviewing me said, "Where'd you get the background?" And I said, "It's a default background." And she's like, "Oh, you gotta tell me how to do that." I said, no problem. But anyway, so to get back to my point is there's 3 different ones you could choose from. There's a space, there's the grass. If I turn it this way, oh, I have to turn it the other way. And it spun around. That was pretty cool, actually. So, and then there's the Golden Gate Bridge. And I've actually been on that bridge too. So I'm going to go back to space. I'm going to click close. And this is just new meeting. This is basically, I'm in a meeting with myself. So if you want to see what you look like before you do a meeting, I would do this. Now, the thing is, with these backgrounds, it takes a lot of power to do it. I was supposed to have a meeting, I was going to do it on my desktop, but the problem was, my daily use computer is 11 years old. And it does it, but it doesn't do the solid background like you're seeing here. That's because the computer is 11 years old, and things have changed over the years, and that's the phone that you're seeing me on is newer than the PC. But it wasn't the camera or anything like that. And the problem is it does it somewhat, but it won't do the full thing, and that is a board issue. So anyway, so what you do now is you click end, and you click end meeting for all. So now we're back here. So if right? So it's asking me for a pass code. Why? The reason is so no outsiders can get in and destroy your meeting. Because what can happen is someone on the outside can really get in there and find stuff out. That's why there's passcodes there. So you literally cannot get into it unless someone shows a passcode to your stuff. That's interesting. It's not showing it on the monitor, my TV, but it's showing it on the phone, which is really interesting, which means that the iPhone has a safeguard for it. So now I'm going to click continue. Oh, it was incorrect. So, alright, so I gotta do it again. Oh, whoops. I accidentally turned the camera off on my desktop here, so let me turn that back on. So I turned the camera back on, but you won't be able to see anything yet. I have to let Zoom, as a meeting administrator, I have to let Zoom admit the person in. I'm going to do call using internet audio. Sorry, I had to turn that off because it got a little too loud there. And you can hear me on the phone itself. Sorry, I had to cut that. So now you can hear me. So what I'm going to do is turn it this way. It's on safe driving mode. And you can see so I got to redo this. So there you have it. Unfortunately, I was too close to a speaker, and what happened was, when that happened, it was creating feedback, and I didn't want to ruin the speakers on my TV. So I'm going to have to keep the phone away from me this time. So I am going to do this again. And I'm going to edit this out. So now it has to let me emit again. For some reason, the volume got turned all the way up when I got in. It's not supposed to do that. I don't get why it did that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to turn on the cell phone camera. So now I am on. So as you can see me there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around. So you can't see anything there. All right, I'm going to do this. So then this way. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to choose virtual background. So you click I have a green screen even though you don't, and I am going to do the grass. And now it is working, but oh no, it's not. You see how it's kind of half doing it and half not? If you could see that. That's because the board is not strong enough to actually do this. So now I'm going to end the meeting. I'm going to end the meeting for all. And there we go. So what happened with this is when I streamed it to the TV is for some reason it turns the volume all the way up. I don't know why, but my speakers do work. Hopefully they still work after this. But anyway, that is how you make a Zoom call from a cell phone. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.